What is MMO? It's Mommy Makeover surgery. The surgery is done in most cases for women that have the childbirth, 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter, and it includes in most cases breast surgery, belly surgery, and additional liposuction. The good candidate for a mommy makeover is the woman that is healthy. Her BMI, it's okay, like around 27, 28, and also if she doesn't have bad habits like smoking. You cannot do like a lot of mommy makeovers. In most cases, it doesn't call like maybe the second time mommy makeover, maybe it can be the second lift of the breast, some correction of the belly, but it wouldn't be like the same mommy makeover as you have the first time. So in general, mommy makeover, it's like one-time surgery, and it's better to wait until your last child is with you. If you're planning to have more children, it's better to wait. So during my mommy makeover, the breast surgery, what it includes, it can be breast augmentation with implants, breast augmentation with fat, breast lift, breast reduction, breast lift with implants. So in cases of breast augmentation with implants and fat, there will be 100% possibility to do the breastfeeding, but after the lift, the possibility it goes very down and the percentage is very low. So in most cases for the ladies, I say that after the breast lift, breast reduction, breast lift with augmentation, you will be not able for breastfeeding. 1 year, it's the earliest time amount after the labor, okay, but also what must be, well, what condition should be is that the breastfeeding, it must be around 6 months ago. So if after 1 year you are breastfeeding, so we should wait at least half a year when you stop the breastfeeding, okay? So in most cases, the ladies become like 1 year is the earliest, and after that you should count after the breastfeeding 6 months.